Part 3. Apache Hadoop ecosystem with Hive. After I clean the cell data set by using Excel and Rongfang, the dataset is ready to use with Hive. First, I uploaded the dataset cell records cleaned file from my local computer into the data subfolder of the Google Cloud Platform bucket. The name of my Google Cloud Platform bucket is ADTA 5240 bucket. After I uploaded the dataset, I turned it on Cluster 3 one master node with 2 work nodes. The clusters allowed me to run the query and the command in Hive interface. In order to check the contents of my user data file in the HDFS, I use command HDFS DFS and -ls user my user. This command displayed dataset what I made before. To make a new file with the name cell records in my user data folder of the HDFS to store the cell record clean data file, I wrote the command HDFS DFS make a directory in my user data file with new folder named cell record. And to check if the folder if successfully created, so I used the command HDFS DFS list users data. So here we can see that it's created successfully. To copy the dataset cells records cleaned file from Google Cloud Platform bucket to the data directory of clusters master node. So I run the command copy cell record data from my data directory of clusters master node. After copying the dataset to master node of cluster, I also copy it from the master node to the HDFS. I copy it from the DATA folder of the master node, my username, and the cell records of the HDFS. I run the command with put cell the record to the master node in the file. In this screen, we can see that the Hadoop ecosystem is working, such as HDFS, YAR, Hive, and so on. Connect to the Hive server using the beeline command interface. The command is beeline, and I also show the tables. Here is the schema. The table shows the data schema what I made before. In this part, I create a simple schema with the name cell records in one. To find out the details about the type of data and the columns of the data set, I run a query. Select from cells records 1, limit 1. I create a complex schema. This query is really long, so we need to be really careful the spelling. The query to find out the top 5 states when the company has the greatest number of customers. So this is the command. When we put in Hive interface, after I want show tables, the schema showed that from cell record from 1 to 7. So I select the top 5 grouped by state, by order customer number in descending, since we need to group out the top 5 states. The query in this part is to find the top 5. The top 10 zip code area when the company get the best sale, means the highest sale figures. So from the cell record 7, group by postcode and order by some cells descending. That means the top 10. To turn to Spark SQL, I type command Spark SQL that connect to Spark interface. In Spark, we run the same complex query with Spark SQL. And here we can see that the top 5 states are listed in short time. It's only 22:49 for 6 seconds. The result is same like Hive query. Now we run a same complex query too in Spark with Spark SQL to run out the top 10 zip code area where the company gets the best sale amount. It's the same. Here is the queries are same like Hive. And then the result displayed as is same like Hive, but the time is shorter. Hive or Spark? Hive and Spark. The part is more time-consuming. They run the same complex schema, but Spark only uses 20-49 seconds in the first query to run out the state schema. But Hadoop uses 91,706 seconds to query the state schema. Spark uses 22,034 seconds in running query with the postal code schema. Hadoop uses longer time, 86,61,8 seconds in running query with the postal code schema. Here is differences between Hive and Spark. Hive is a database which stores data in the form of tables, like RDBMS databases, but Spark is not database. It's a data analytics framework. And the Hive operates on top of Hadoop, but Spark does not have its own dedicated storage. Also because Spark doesn't have its own storage, but that helps Spark work faster than Hive. Hive is a data warehousing database. That's what we talked before. And the Spark is best for performing complex and faster in-memory data analytics and the live data stream, real-time data. So Spark works on real-time data. The similarities of Hive. Okay, we go back to this part is this one is Hive. I need to change it.